What's up, FNG Nation? It's your fancy new guy here, Greg Serio. So this lesson today, we're gonna teach you what is a process and how do you improve a process. It's pretty simple. It's a tool that you can use to be successful, and it's called the 5 S's. These 5 S's are a tool that you can use to improve any process, but first I think you need to understand what is a process. It's something that starts, you do some stuff, and then it finishes. So it's everything you do on a day-to-day basis, process of getting ready, the process of getting to work. All of these things that you do is a process. So how do you identify which process to improve? A process improvement is pretty simple, and you identify it based on the processes you're having problems with. A major problem that I have is getting ready in the morning and finding the right socks. I used to spend 37 minutes just trying to match my socks because I had so many of them. So I used the 5 S's to eliminate all my waste, find the most valuable socks, which are my Deadpool socks, and I paired them all together and got rid of the rest, and then bought more Deadpool socks. So I'm gonna give you a deep dive into why I did that. Now that I bought 20 pairs of Deadpool socks, and guess who doesn't have to spend time matching them up? This guy. Because they're already ready to go, they all look the same, and it makes me happy. I keep saying these 5 S's, and what are the 5 S's? That first one is sort. You sort out the stuff of low value. Remember that lesson, what is value? So what wasn't of value to me was all of my non-Deadpool socks. All of them. I had to sort them out of the equation so they're not even a problem for me anymore. And then once I got rid of all those non-Deadpool socks of low value, I got to set what was left in order. And what was left was just my Deadpool socks. And it turns out I only had 3 pairs, and that made me sad. But either way, those 3 pairs get me by for 3 days, and it saves me at least 36 minutes in the morning by not having to find 37 million pairs of non-Deadpool socks. Which leads me to our 3rd S, shine. What does that mean? Because it took me a long time to sort and set in order these problems I was having. So why wouldn't I just keep them clean? Because now when these things pop out of the dryer, I can match them up super fast and keep my mess clean. So I don't have to keep cleaning them every day and waste my time. So what's our 4th S, you ask? That's right, it's standardize. And what does that mean? Standardizing something allows you to repeat the process easily again and again. So think about standardizing the socks that I have in my sock drawer. I had 3 pair of Deadpool socks, which gets me by for 3 days, so I need to buy new socks because I got rid of all my old ones. So am I gonna go to the store and buy non-Deadpool socks again, knowing that was the problem? No. I'm gonna standardize it to one kind of sock, Deadpool. And the 5th and final S is sustain. So what I mean by sustain is you're sustaining continuous improvement. And how do you do that? It's very, very easy. You go back to the first S and you go back to the process you improved and you sort it out all over again, because when you sort it out this time, you're gonna make a better process each time. Continuous improvement is something that happens over a long period of time, and when you repeat how you do things, you get better at it. It's pretty simple. So the 5th S, all you need to do is just go back to your first S. Because, do you remember the telegraph? Probably not, because you weren't born. But at one point in time, everyone communicated through like little beepy noises. And that was a continuous improvement from someone throwing smoke signals up. Do you use a cell phone or a rotary dial phone? We didn't just stop continually improving once we improved the process once. We kept going. So the lesson today is, what is a process and how do you improve that process? That's called the 5 S's. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. And that's how you always improve, and that is why I always get ready in the morning super fast, because I sorted out my sock drawer with Deadpool socks. So now that you got a little bit more understanding of what a process is, how to improve it, and what these 5 S's are, just know these manufacturing principles, they're not just for manufacturing and manufacturers. This is a lifestyle change that you can do using manufacturing techniques to manufacture your future in a better direction. So think about these 5 S's and think about how valuable things are to you while you develop these awesome skills. And you can keep developing these skills by going to fancynewguy.com. subscribing on our YouTube channel for more lessons. Watch all of our content on FancyNewGuy.com to see what lessons are waiting for you. How do the 5 S's impact you after you go through these lessons? Are you getting ready faster in the morning? Are you having better time at work just because you're doing something for yourself by improving? FancyNewGuy.com, where you can find up-to-date information, fresh new content, and awesome lessons by yours truly, the Fancy New Guy, Greg Serio. I told them FancyNewGuy.com, where they're gonna see me, the Fancy New Guy, and Plantosaurus. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you learned something awesome and go improve your life today at FancyNewGuy.com. Did I say FancyNewGuy.com? I think I did say FancyNewGuy.com. Wait, no. Did I say FancyNewGuy.com? Of course I did.